guys. It's been a while since I did a video. I haven't really been terribly busy. I did do a wood burning commission for a police dog, and I'm still going to do the editing for that video. But we're just wrapping up 2024. I haven't had many commissions. I've had more sewing machine fixing going on lately, but that's about it. Like, I don't know what to say about this year. I mean, it was sporadic. I didn't have that many things go on. I was sick in the beginning of December, and I was sick in the beginning of the year too. Really sick, like almost half of January and half of February. But anyway, but I just hope that next year will be better than this year. So right when I was trying to do my video, 3 of my 4 dogs decided they wanted to play with their squeaky toys. So that's why I'm doing a voiceover. I'm going to be opening the latch up, both latches on both sides, and I'm going to open up the case. So we have a Kenmore 158.500, which is also called the Model 50. I don't have a manual for this, but it's probably easy like the other ones. You know, you just have to figure them out, play with them, play with the knobs. And right now I'm just trying to get the cord out from under the presser foot. The take-up lever was very loose. I mean, meaning it wasn't, it wasn't stuck or anything like that, so that's good. All right, so next I'm going to remove the needle plate. Well, I'm not going to remove it all the way. I learned that lesson last time. But it is missing only the bobbin case, and a bobbin, but I'm not worried about the bobbin, but the bobbin case is not there. That's the feed dog lowering lever. So that works pretty good. The hand wheel turns beautifully. It's not stuck or anything. It's really good. And that's the I can't think of the name right now. That happens with ADHD. You can't think of certain words. But anyway. And then that's part of the bobbin. I have to figure out how to do the bobbin on this machine because it is different from other machines. So I'm not worried about that right now, but I'll learn that. So I'm just removing the masking tape that they put on the machine with the from when I got it. I get free machines all the time, like literally all the time, and so I just wanted to get that off. That is the man, what's that called? I can't believe that. You push that in when you're doing your bobbin. You have to push it so that it comes up before you do your bobbin. The needle bar looks good. It doesn't look dirty. It looks pretty clean. I know on the other side, that other side is really dirty, so I'll have to clean that. But like I said, the take-up lever is really loose, or not stuck, so that's good. And there's the length dial. I'm not sure what's under this. I'll check later, but there's the spool pin. I like that it can bend down and go up for storage. There's the motor. Motor looks really good. So let's see. I have the original foot. And I'm looking at the belt. Belt looks really good. Motor looks good. The cord is original. And I had my son look at the electrical tape that's there, and he said that was fine. He actually redid it for me just to make it more sturdy, I guess. But it looks really good. So I'm not worried about that. So I just wanted to show you this machine. So right now I'm just trying to figure out what this is. I'm not sure what that is. I thought it was another spool pin, but it's not. I was checking this again to see how dirty it was. It's not that bad. Of course, I will check it and clean it before I do anything. So it's not really that bad. I'm going to remove this tray. The tray is gross. It is so gross. Oh, wow. There's the bobbin pin. I'm sorry, the bobbin case. And a bobbin. So that saves me some money. I don't have to order that. So that's really good to know. It's really dirty in there. I pulled the machine up. This thing is 51 pounds. It is so heavy. Like my hand is struggling right now to hold it. But I wanted to see if there was any bobbins. So I just wanted to show you this machine. I got it last week, so I'm going to clean it up and give it away to somebody in my community. And I really appreciate you watching my videos. I'll try to post more this coming year. Thanks for watching.